वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ इंग्लिश का सिलेबस जो कि किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बेसिक्स से। सेंटेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं इंग्लिश में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ सेंटेंसेस। काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस: डिक्लेरेटिव और असर्टिव सेंटेंस, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Okay, the first type of sentence that we will be going to study about is declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or association. And you know what does this mean? It means कि कोई भी sentence जो कोई स्टेटमेंट बनाता हो या असर्शन करता हो उसे हम क्या कह सकते हैं? डिक्लेरेटिव। कोई चीज़ जिससे डिक्लेयर हो, किसी सेंटेंस से, किसी स्टेटमेंट से अगर कोई चीज़ डिक्लेयर हो तो हम उसे डिक्लेरेटिव या असर्टिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। ओके, एग्जाम्पल: बोरोड गारमेंट्स नेवर फिट वेल। As I told you, borrowed garments never fit well. This is a statement showing some declaration. Okay, showing some declaration. It shows that garments that are borrowed never fit well cause that are of not of your size. Then in assertive, as I told you, declarative, assertive. In assertive sentences, there are 2 type of sentences. One is affirmative and second one is negative. Okay, one is affirmative and second one is negative. Affirmative means positive and negative means negative. So if you say like you look fresh, okay, you directly say you look fresh, you look cool. In negatively way, you'll say you do not look tired. A kind of means you do not look fresh. Okay, a kind of means you look fresh. Okay, you look fresh, you are fresh, तुम फ्रेश लगते हो. नेगेटिव: you do not look tired, तुम टायर्ड नहीं लगते. Sentences differ but the meaning of the sentences are same. So we call this type of sentences as declarative or assertive sentences. Let's jump up to our next type of sentence, that is interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question. A sentence where you think a question has been asked or is been asking, a question has been asking. It is known as interrogative sentence. Okay. As I have written, copy it down. A sentence that asks a question is known as interrogative sentence. Example: what do you want? Where are you going? Any question where WH is there and a question mark is there is known as interrogative sentence. Now let's go to our other type of sentence, that is the third kind of sentence, that is imperative sentence. A third kind of sentence is imperative sentence, a sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty. Do you know what does this mean? इसका मतलब होता है कि वो कोई भी सेंटेंस जो एक्सप्रेस करती है कमांड, या आपको कोई, या आपको इंसिस्ट करती है कोई काम करने पे, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? imperative sentence. Okay, we have seen the definition of imperative sentence. Let's go down and see the examples of imperative sentence. The first example I've written is sit down. Here, sit down is a command, and therefore one needs to do it without his thinking or without his instinct. Okay, let's try to another, that is please open the door. Please open the door. One needs to do it. Okay, there's an entreaty or a command that is being represented by the statement, so one needs to do this, and this type of sentences are known as imperative sentence. Let's see to our fourth one, that is the last type of sentence, or we can say the last sentence that we are going to study. Okay. Our fourth kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Let's look into its definition. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling. A sentence that gives a feeling of something very strong or expresses a very your emotions, your feelings. वो सेंटेंस जो आपके इमोशंस को आपके फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करे उसे हम क्या कहते हैं एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस वाई डू वी कॉल इट एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस कॉज अ exclamatory mark is used wherever the word hooray alas is used. Okay, it is a type of feeling, a type of expression, a type of emotion. Okay, so here we use exclamatory mark. Hooray, we won the match. You know, it's a kind of this hooray, we won the match is a kind of happiness. Okay, a feeling of happiness, a strong feeling of happiness. So we have used here exclamatory marks after hooray, and we use exclamatory mark even after the words alas or bravo or something. Okay, that gives us very strong feeling wherever a emotion, a feeling is expressed, that is known as exclamatory sentences. And yeah, remember one thing, this is the exclamatory mark that is used in sentences. Wherever or in whichever sentence this exclamatory mark is used, this sentence will be known as exclamatory sentences. Okay, थैंक यू और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब शेयर एंड लाइक करना मत भूलना प्लीज़ 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 hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about transformation of sentences. You hear people saying transform the sentences or saying the phrase transformation of sentences. Okay, what does really the transformation of sentence means? Do you know that a sentence is made up of words, group of words? Okay, so what does mean the transformation of sentences? Transformation of sentences means a sentence from one grammatical form may be changed to another without changing their meaning, without altering its meaning. It means that a sentence can be changed in a kind of another sentence but without any transform or change in its meaning. Okay, so that is known as transformation of sentences. Let's look into it. As you can see, I've done here the first transformation of sentences, that is negative and affirmative. I told you in declarative and affirmative sentences there are two type of sentences. पहला होता है नेगेटिव, दूसरा होता है अफर्मेटिव. ओके, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस क्या होता है जिसमें नो नॉट लगता है, एंड अफर्मेटिव में क्या होता है जिसमें नो एंड नॉट नहीं लगता. ओके, नो वन डिनाइड दैट शी वॉज क्लेवर. किसी ने मना नहीं किया कि वो क्लेवर थी. दिस मीन्स दैट एवरीबडी टोल्ड दैट शी वॉज क्लेवर. किसी ने ये डिनाई नहीं किया कि शी वॉजंट क्लेवर. अफर्मेटिव, ऑल affirmed दैट शी वॉज क्लेवर. सब ने कहा कि वो क्लेवर है. ऑल affirmed दैट शी वॉज क्लेवर. और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम द सेंटेंस रिमेन्स पॉजिटिव एंड हियर द सेंटेंस रिमेन्स नेगेटिव. ओके, नो वन डिनाइड दैट शी वॉज क्लेवर, ऑल affirmed दैट शी वॉज क्लेवर. मीनिंग चेंज नहीं है, देयर इज नो अल्टरेशन ऑफ मीनिंग, बट देयर इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस टेकिंग प्लेस. देयर इज चेंजिंग ऑफ sentences taking place. Okay, changing of words are taking place. So this is known as transformation of sentences. This is the example of declarative or affirmative sentence. Now let's take to our look to our next type of sentences, the next type of transformation of sentences. Okay, as here you can see we are done with our next sentence, that is transformation of sentences. Okay, so this is interrogative sentence and assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence, who believes in his talk. उसकी बातों में कौन बिलीव करता है? हु बिलीव्स? द क्वेश्चन हियर इज द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. आई टोल्ड यू इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस इज अ kind of sentence that asks questions. Okay, so here is asked who believes in his talk. उसके बातों में कौन बिलीव करता है? And assertive, I told you, it explains or declares something. No one believes in his talk. उसके बातों में कोई बिलीव नहीं करता. इधर आपको इंट्रोगेटिव में पूछा गया है ना, क्वेश्चन मार्क, हु बिलीव्स. कोई है जो उसके टॉक्स में बिलीव करता है? नो वन. सो हियर इज द आंसर, नो वन. इट इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव एंड assertive. नो वन believes in his talk. The meanings are not altered, but you can see here sentences are being altered or being changed. The words are being changed so that it becomes a proper transformation. Okay, here the meaning does not changes. Who believes in his talk? No one believes in his talk. Okay, let's jump to our next type of transformation of sentences.